Here we got a another longevity ForceCut 40D in. This is ordered in for a customer, and what I'll do here is the inspection. Like I say, you guys have heard me say this, on any of the products that I sell, whether it be my welding supply business or my business selling shooting components or whatever, I inspect everything myself. I do not drop ship. I take it back. Every once in a while, there will be a situation that calls for a drop ship. I'm not going to say as a policy I will never ever drop ship, but I'd say 99% of the time I will not drop ship. That's because I inspect everything firsthand, always. Make sure that everything on this unit is the way it's supposed to be. We'll plug it in, we'll test it. And this represents in my opinion, the finest plasma cutter that you can get for under $700. We are in the $500 range on this unit here, and let me go grab something and I'll show you something I cut with one of these. This right here, you can tell how thick this is. It gave, because of the way that I was holding it in the angle, a little bit of spatter here. That's just because I had to plunge cut with it. I had to start out, and you can see that's what this area here is. I had to plunge cut, but then if you'll look at this right here, this is 1/2 inch thick steel. This area here is a pretty good, for cutting it freehand. In an awkward position, that's a pretty good cut, and 1/2 inch went straight through. And again, I had to, once I got it plunged through it and the hole dug, for lack of a better term, I was able just to go along the circumference at a pretty good clip, and it did a clean cut. This is the bottom to a, it's been sitting outside. This is the bottom to a, this was a argon tank. 1/2 inch thick steel. And it cut right through it. So, point is, this is a 40 amp plasma cutter. It runs on 220 or 110. It comes with everything that you need to get started. Airline. It's going to come with, let's see here. This is your pigtail to convert it from 220 to 110 or 110 to 220. Your ground strap there. And let me find the stinger here. Aha! They did not include the stinger. We're missing the stinger. That doesn't do us any good at all. This is exactly why I inspect everything, because if this would have gone out to the customer, well, it would have been a big headache for them and me to try and get this all solved. Now, with me being the dealer, it's going to be a snap for me to get a stinger shipped in here for this thing. So that is where this inspection is going to stop, because I'm not going to use parts from another plasma cutter to test this. I want to test everything that is going to go to the customer at once. So this is a case in point. This is exactly why I don't like to drop ship, and I like to inspect everything myself.